how to find slope from 2 points, and how to find more points. In order to find the slope from 2 points, you need to use the slope formula, which can be written as y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, or can be written using these Greek letters, delta y, which means the changing of the y coordinates, and delta x, the changing of the x coordinates. Let's take a look at this question. Find the slope of the line containing the following points. Then find more points on that line. Well, this is an x and y pair. This is also an x and y pair. Since this is the first point, we'll denote them as x1, y1, and we'll denote this one as x2, y2. Setting these up in the slope formula fraction will give us 2 minus 8 for y2 minus y1, and then 3 minus 7 for our delta x. Our slope is negative 6 over negative 4, which will yield positive 3/2. Now, in order to find more points that are along this line, we need to understand that any other points would have a change in the y-coordinate of 3, as well as a change in the x-coordinate of 2. So if we kind of put these points in a little table, it might be easier for us to find a third point. So 7 and 8, and 3 and 2. You'll notice that this goes down 6, right? Just like this. And this one goes down 4, which was that. We could also find another point by simply saying that the change in y is plus 3, or the change in x is plus 2. That's another pattern that would work. So if I add 3 here, I would get 5. And if I add 2 here, I would also get 5. I could also add 3 again, get 8. I could add 2 and get 7. See? There's another point. We could also use the original pattern of negative 6 and 4. So instead of adding 3 here and adding 2 here, if I go back, I can undo this 3, 2 pattern and just continue doing minus 6 and minus 4. 2 minus 6 is negative 4, and 3 minus 4 is negative 1. And that's how you find more points on the line.